I bet you would not believe this is a wig if I did not tell you. Let's talk about the cap construction. It is a 13 by 6 and it is 130% density, a kinky straight texture. As you can see, if you enjoy a glueless wear, it comes with combs, adjustable straps, and a drawstring. This style is from Myfirstwig. I already went and I switched the parting to a side part. Today I'm not going to glue it down. Hairline and everything just looks really good. It definitely is very soft. There's no tangles in this hair. Now, because this is a 13 by 6, you do get lots of parting space, so you can switch it up if you would like. And as you can see, without any glue, the lace melts so good already. But honestly, I don't think this hair is going to smooth out too much, but as you can see, it does bend at the ends. The wonderful thing so far that I do notice is with this, it's super comfortable. The whole concept of this style is so that you can have your kinky texture. It feels comfortable to wear every day. You have the bob cut. The cap construction is very breathable. It doesn't give that tight feel. Honestly, this was super easy to install. It did not take much work. They already pre-cut the lace. They already pre-plucked the hairline. All you have to do is just have a little bit of styling skills, because straight out the box, the hair can come like it's a little funky looking. This hair has volume, lots of body. It's not stiff. As you can see, I can shake it. Let me show you the back. So this is what the back look like. Super thick, super soft. I can run my fingers through it. There's no tangles in the hair. Nice and flowy. Okay.